Now to health stories now, where the United States government has announced the launch of the PMI Evolve, the second phase of its malaria control project in Nigeria. This was announced at the closeout and dissemination meeting of a $7.8 million vector-linked project in Abuja. Our correspondent, Oyo Thomas, has more on this.
USAID-led United States President's Malaria Initiative, PMI, is a project aimed at reducing the malaria burden in the country. Its goal is to reduce malaria deaths by at least 50% in African countries where this is prevalent. This is the closeout dissemination of the vector-link project, the surveillance stage of the PMI project, which has helped in data gathering on attitude and susceptibility of mosquitoes. The data generated by the 5-year project helped Nigeria's National Malaria Elimination Program make better policy decisions, especially in the distribution of treated nets and right insecticides to use for indoors.
PMI Evolve will continue supporting planning, implementing and monitoring of malaria vector control program, including entomological monitoring, insecticide-treated mosquito nets, and the larva source management. The project will strengthen the capacity of local institutions, including National Malaria Program, district health officers, and the research institutions to independently conduct vector control programs.
On the same platform, with the support of the USAID, we are also presenting another new project which is to support the country. And the new project is the PMI, what we call the PMI Evolve. So I know for our PI they are like, so is that the end of the road? No. The USAID together with NMEP, we're still in the business of controlling malaria in this country.
And on behalf of the Federal Ministry of Health, I wish to commend the PMI for taking that initiative, and they continue to support us to ensure that our ITN deployments follow the results from the Sentinel site and IRM activities in the country. In addition to that, the Vector Links project has continued to provide technical support and human resource development to the National Malaria Program, both at the national level and the states.
The second phase is built to start on the 1st of August. The United States government emphasized it will continue to remain a partner with Nigeria, not just in the fight against malaria, but other diseases for a robust national development. Oyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.
Well, in other news now, the collaborative efforts in tackling immigration challenges in the country has been re-emphasized. This formed discussions when the Comptroller General of Nigerian Immigration Service, Caroline Adekpoju, paid a working visit to command posts in Akwa Ibom State. Joseph Kunde reports.
Akwa Ibom, an oil-producing state in the Niger Delta, annexes about 16 riverine communities with Cameroon, thus plays a critical role in Nigeria's immigration landscape. Perhaps it may be the reason the Comptroller General of Immigration embarks on her maiden visit to the state as the searchlight beams on safeguarding the nation's borders.
Akwa Ibom State houses one of our longest coastal border. We are working hard to ensure, like we have done in other areas like our air border and land border, we want to tighten the security around here. We don't want people of shady characters to perpetrate nefarious activities using our blue borders.
It shows that she's truly a mother, a woman of compassion. In fact, she's just an Amazon. I feel so encouraged. I'm so proud that she came to see, and that is, a means of motivation that will spur me to do more.
The uniqueness of the territorial borderline means an inspection visit to the various command posts in the state and the capabilities of the officers as well.
We have the personnel, we are well trained in marine border management, but we need good working materials. You can see the environment here. The Nigerian Immigration Service once tried to make it, to construct this jetty that you can see here. But from the look of things, it is capital intensive, and we will need the intervention of the government and other stakeholders to enable us work effectively.
The visit of the Comptroller General of Immigration signifies a renewed focus on collaboration and operational excellence. Joseph Kunde, TVC News, Uyo.